Hello students, we will continue our topic related with the kinematics. I am Mohammad Kamran Halil from YouTube channel The Physics Gurus. The topic which we will discuss today is the kinematics, O-level physics 5054. Now the subtopic related with this is the free fall. So what do you think? What is meant by free fall? I have one pen in my hand. I have one pencil in my hand. Now if I will throw this pencil forcefully and if I will drop this pen just like this, so what do you think? Which object will fall through the action of the free fall? When you will apply an external force on an object, that is not called the free fall movement. But when you will drop an object under the influence of the gravity without applying any external force, then that is called as the free fall. Now there are two scenarios for the free fall. Number one, the free fall without air resistance, and number two, the free fall is with air resistance. So students, without air resistance, what will happen to the objects? First we will discuss that, and then in the next we will discuss the free fall acceleration with air resistance. So the question which will be asked in the paper related with this topic is that what is the value of the free fall acceleration? Number one. Number two, what is the initial acceleration of the free fall? So the answer for the both question is that the value of the free fall acceleration or the value of the initial acceleration of the free fall is 10 meter per second square, and that is on the surface of Earth. The value of acceleration depends on the planet. It varies from planet to planet. But for the surface of Earth, the exact value is 9.81 meter per second square. But with reference to the O-levels, its value will be 10 meter per second square. So value of free fall acceleration on the surface of Moon is 1.6 meter per second square. Now let's suppose we have two animals. One is elephant and the other one is the fish. Let's suppose they are placed in a very large vacuum chamber, and I will drop these two objects at the same time. So there is a vacuum. It means that there is no air resistance. Whenever there is an air resistance, it will oppose the movement of an object. We will discuss that scenario in the next one. So what do you think? What will happen now? This elephant and to the tiny fish. Although the mass of the both object is really having a lot of difference between them. Now what will happen? They will fall with the same rate and they will hit with the ground at the same time. Really, it's very surprising. But I will let you know one demonstration, and you can see that what has happened actually when the two different objects having the different mass will fall through the vacuum chamber. I will give that link description. So now there is only one force acting on them, that is the gravity or the weight. There is no other force acting on them. So no opposing force right now whenever the object will fall through the vacuum. This is the experiment which has performed in a vacuum chamber. So initially there was air, then with the help of the vacuum pump they have sucked out all the air. Now there is no medium present inside that. Both objects will hit the ground at the same time. So this is another question related with the past papers, that when the two different objects having the two different mass, two different surface area, they will fall through the vacuum, then what results you can deduce. So the first one, that the both object will hit the ground at the same time, then their average speed will increase with same ratio, that is 10 meter per second. Initially when time is 0, they are at rest, so speed will be 0. After 1 second they will attain the speed of 10 meter per second, after 2 seconds they will attain the speed of 20 meter, and then followed by the 30 meter. So there is an increase of 10 meter per second. So acceleration will remain constant, and this acceleration has a symbol which is represented by small g, which is represented on the board as well. Now if we will draw the graph, the velocity time graph for the free fall object which fall through the vacuum chamber, the acceleration will remain same, that is 10 meter per second square for the scenario of the earth. The average velocity will increase 10 meter per second because the acceleration will remain same. So constant acceleration does not change. Velocity will increase by 10 meter per second. Now we will discuss the free fall acceleration with air resistance.